So today we are chatting about the mine of the future and the role of women. So the two developments are the modernization of the mining industry and increased gender representation. So the mining industry is recovering from an extremely difficult period due to volatility in the markets. Mining organizations have really struggled in the environment. So this was largely informed by larger South African mining houses who were facing various difficulties. These included rising costs, deep-level gold mining, and falling commodity prices. So the surviving producers automated where possible. They cut their costs and increased their efficiencies. However, they did face some challenges, which include the unclear and uncertain regulations in the country, also geopolitical risk, and increased shareholder activism. The sunset cycle has shifted. We are seeing increased demand for our commodities despite the contraction due to COVID-19. Rapid technological advances are increasing demand for our commodities. These include palladium, copper, zinc, and cobalt. So as the demand for metals and minerals is set to continue to grow, the mines of the future will need to adapt to the trends or risk being left behind. My key focus on this address is the importance of technological advancements, the mining workforce, as well as transformational leadership. These two aspects are very important for the industry. The mining industry is changing rapidly. With fluctuating commodity prices, organizations are looking at technological advancements such as AI, robotics, and data analytics to help them compete. Technologies reshaping the sector include automated drilling and tunnel boring, drones, and smart sensors. The implications of technological innovation in the industry are staggering and inevitable. The adoption of smart sensors, for example, can assist in predictive maintenance, improve equipment use, and reduce downtime. Also, it can assist with the reduction of health and safety incidents. The factors driving the shift towards the integration of technology are many. These include rising labor costs in mining organizations. Also, the incorporation of automated technologies allow employees to be removed from dangerous situations. Increased data transparency also improves stakeholder relations within the mining industry. And diversity has a new importance in the age we are in, the age of innovation. Focusing on the human element in this virtual environment is vital for future success. Adopting technology can serve as a positive catalyst for diversity. The mining industry recognizes the need for nurturing leaders who are able to engage and motivate their employees. The mining industry recognizes the need for leaders who can motivate and nurture their employees. Also, leaders who focus on transformation, as this could assist the industry in closing the gender diversity gap. Diversity is essential for building cohesion, both at a company and society level. Diversity promotes tolerance to different points of view. It brings fresh solutions to problems and creates harmony between different ethnic and gender groups. A diverse workforce has been shown to provide a more inclusive culture. It also enhances better decision-making and governance. It is important for mining companies to create policy to ensure, for example, a 50-50 gender mix of the intake of graduates and to ensure fair treatment of women should promotional opportunities arise. Ongoing automation and AI will impact gender diversity. These changes will impact on the work being done in the future. For example, equipment can now be operated remotely away from the underground mining environment. This can prove attractive to people who had not considered working in the mining environment due to the physical strength that is currently required in the traditional underground environment. Before we reach that future, however, we need diversity policies. We need the gender pay gap to be addressed between the men and women in the mining industry. We need an enabling environment for women to work in the industry. And we need more senior women in leadership positions to help guide and mentor women in the industry. Today's most effective leaders need to embrace change. In an environment that is constantly being disrupted, the mining industry needs leaders who foster a positive attitude towards change. And when change is a constant, a key to success is transformational leadership, a style that empowers teams and helps them to foster a sense of trust and community. Adaptive leadership styles, correctly harnessed, could accelerate the strategic imperative for mining companies to hire more women. Diversity promotes transformational leadership, and transformational leadership matters. When employees feel valued as individuals, they develop the collective power to foster change, which can have a positive impact on profitability. Mining companies operate in a highly competitive environment. Diverse and transformational leaders are vital for staying in the game. A transformational leader can be described as supportive, nurturing, empathetic, and caring, attributes, for whatever reason, are prevalent in women. The mining industry has a long history built on hard labor, which reinforces a system that disproportionately favors men. Mining companies and large organizations have traditionally followed a command and control, masculine-centric leadership style, and will need to adapt if they want to compete. Since the 1990s, there's been a big shift in the diversity agenda. We are seeing women entering senior management and board level positions. More can and should be done to expand the talent pool and attract more women into the mining industry, especially in the early stages. As such, it is important that the industry better promote itself to women before they reach university. Among the millennial generation, we are seeing a welcome change in the cultural mindset towards diversity. In South Africa, the mining industry has improved significantly, both in terms of diversity and the holistic inclusion of women compared to 10 years ago. But more needs to be done. In an area where South African women are prominent in medicine, law, and business, we are still seeing few female scientists and engineers. Without doubt, the mine of the future will have a high-level skill set that will result in an overall smaller workforce. Governments and mining companies will need to ensure that automation and AI technologies do not undermine the shared value efforts, such as employment and investments in the local communities. Governments and mining companies will need to work together and transition workers who cannot be absorbed by the automated mining sector. This can be achieved through retraining or transitioning programs. It is important to note that the developments for greater gender diversity will not be done at the expense of men, but alongside them. After all, women represent 50% of the population. It is fitting that they should also represent 50% of decision makers in all aspects of life. Organizational agility and fast-paced innovation have become strategic imperatives for organizations. It is our collective responsibility to be creative in our thinking as to how we are going to solve the technical, the environmental, and the social issues that we are confronted with in the mining industry. Now is the time for the paradigm shift. And the paradigm shift is emerging, whether we like it or not. Thank you for your time.